In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task table with sub-items in Notion. If you've ever wanted a clean way to break big tasks into smaller, trackable pieces right inside a single database, sub-items are exactly what you need. They create a simple parent-child structure so you can see a main task and all of its related subtasks in one place. Without juggling multiple databases, start by opening the task database you want to use. If you don't have one yet, a fresh table works perfectly. Just make sure you are viewing it as a database, not a simple page. The feature we're about to turn on lives in the database's settings, so you'll need that view visible. Now, look to the top right corner of the database view for the three-dot menu. This is the menu that controls database options and view settings. Click it to open the panel. Take a moment to scan the options. This is where Notion hides a lot of powerful controls that affect how your database behaves. Find the option labeled Sub-items. Click it, then select Turn on Sub-items. With that one action, Notion prepares your database for hierarchical tasks by setting up a special kind of relation that points back to the same database. This lets any task become a parent of other tasks, creating a tidy, collapsible structure that's easy to manage. A setup window will appear to create a self-relating property. By default, Notion labels the properties as sub-item and parent item. You can keep those names, or for extra clarity in a task workflow, rename them to subtasks and parent tasks. Clear property names help everyone on your team understand how items relate at a glance, and you can always rename them later without breaking the connections. If you collaborate with others, consider choosing names that match your team's vocabulary to avoid confusion. When you are happy with the names, click Create to establish the connection. Notion will add these properties to your database automatically and link everything behind the scenes. From this point on, your database supports hierarchy. A task can reference its subtasks, and each subtask can point back to its parent. You'll typically see a small caret next to parent items to expand and collapse their subtasks, keeping long lists neat and focused. That's it. You've enabled sub-items, chosen clear property names, and created the relation that powers them. With this structure in place, you'll find it much easier to plan projects, track progress, and keep your workspace organized without creating extra databases. Thanks for watching.